Meet the world's first smart interactive prayer mat invented by My Salah Mat, developed to help children connect with Allah, to learn the Salah and be always guided. Features included: it is made from waterproof and fire-resistant materials. The prayer mat is guided by touch-sensitive technology. For example, what you say in sujood will not start until the person praying touches that part of the prayer mat with their head and hands. Understand what you're saying with our new prayer translation button. Simply select the language you want and listen to the Arabic followed by the translation.
Allahu Akbar.
Allah is greater.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from the outcast shaitan.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
Now you can understand the meaning and connect with Allah on a deeper level. Give someone an unforgettable gift, one that will benefit them and you in this life and the next life.